guys, this is Leland of All That Matter channel. So today I'm going to share you how to put this two information, let's say this product code and product description, to be placed in here and here. So between these two columns, between this date and produced quantity, just give you a quick view. Let's say you are going to do a report, let's say about this one, but as you can see, there is something lacking in this report. So you will find it here. The product code and the product name is here on top. So let's say product sample 1, product sample 1, product sample 3, sample 4. So let's say under product sample 1 you have this work order code. So it means let's say you produced on May 11 this much, on May 12 this much. So under product sample number 2 or number 3, so you have produced this much, let's say on May 2, 86,400. So under product sample number 3, these are the quantity that was produced. So okay, under product number sample 4, these are the quantity that was produced during that date. Okay, so what we are going to do is to put these two information to be placed in these two columns between the date and produced quantity. So between it here. So what you are going to do now is this. Let's say you will find it here. This is the original file. First you have to do is to move one copy. So at least you have the original. Move to an end. Create a copy. So you will be doing to modify this one. So first thing you have to do is to put one column here in letter A. So just put the cursor here, letter A. So just right click, insert. So you will have one blank column here. So under here you have to put number, serial number, let's say from 1 to 3. So you should have to select from here. I mean you have to put number 1 here because this having an information. So you have to put this number until the bottom by dragging this from here, and you have to drag it down from the last information or from the last work order number. So until here. So you have 568. So go again to the top. Okay, so now you have this information. So what you are going to do again is to add two cells here. So what we need is to put these two information between this date and produced quantity. So you have to add two cells by right clicking here, right click here, then insert, then one more, insert. So now you have two blank column here, D and E. So what we're going to do is to put this information, this product code and product name, to be put in these two columns. Okay, so now we are going to sort again. Okay, put the cursor here, so it will be selected all, or do a shortcut key by pressing the Ctrl plus A. Sorry, something wrong. Put the cursor here. Okay, so it will be selected all. So then sort, go to data and then click this sort. So you have to sort by B or C, but I prefer to use column B. Okay, B. So now go down, all the information will be at the bottom. So these are we needed, so 1 and this 2. So this one we don't need, but you have to keep this one here, this first on top, number 3. So delete this one. I mean delete this items, including the number which don't have information. So put the cursor here, then right click, then delete. So this also you have to delete. This one I think no, not needed, but it's up to you. But for me it's not needed, so I have to delete this by this one. Shift and arrow down, then delete. Then select this product code by selecting this one. Okay, shift or then cursor down, control, then you have to right click here, then cut. Okay, cut and put it here, right click, then this one, this is the paste, so it will be here. So again, this one also same, you have to do shift plus arrow down or the page down. Okay, then right click, cut, or you can also do the shortcut by control or plus X. Okay, then right click it here again, this one, then this one, paste, or control plus V. So now it's placed in here. Okay, so this is how the number is here also. So again, we have to do sorting again. So put the cursor here in this column, I mean in this area, put the cursor here and click. So now it's all selected. So you have to sort it again by letter A. So letter A. Okay. Okay. Letter A. So now you have this information. Go back again here. I'm sorry. So there's information here. Just pick some space here to see this one. Okay. So now you have, what we're going to do is to put this product code and product name in here between these two. All this one from there. If you have less product, you can do manual copying and pasting. But if you have multiple products, if you have million of products, so it's very difficult to do that. It will consume your time. So what we are going to do is to make some formula. At least it can reduce your time working on it. So what we are you can do like this one: copy, then paste it here, Control V, then also here, copy, Control V, like that. But this one, it will consume your time, as I said earlier. So what we are going to do is some simple way, some simple formula. So what we are going to do now is select this one, put the cursor here, use the shift plus the arrow. Okay, then page down. Okay, until the last number, until the bottom. So make sure that you will be put the selection up to here in 568, the last number. Okay, now it's highlighted these two lines. So what we are going to do is to put formula, the equal sign will be put in here. Okay, we have to put the formula here, the equal formula. So here, now you have selected these two. You already selected these two. So what we are going to do is to press Control plus G. It means Control plus Go. Control plus G. Okay, then it will come out this one. So in this menu, or in this what you call this one, so just select this one. I don't know about this. This is just a menu, I think. So once you press Control plus G, so just select this special. Okay, there are so many selection here, but what we are going to choose here is this blanks. Okay, blanks. Choose this one, then put this one as okay. Now all the blank was selected. Okay, the blank is selected. Now what you are going to do is to put the formula here equal. Don't touch anything here. Don't touch any letter, or don't press any keyboard, something like that. Only what you are going to do is to press the equal sign. Okay, press equal sign. Okay, then put the cursor here in this product code. Okay, then press Control now, then press enter. So you will find it here that all the space is having information. Okay, you will find it here. Let's say this one, the code and the product name. So and you will find it here. There is a formula here, and also here there is a formula here. So let's say product sample 1 goes down here, product sample 1 goes down here under this work order code. This product sample 3 is here already, product sample 4 is here also. So now this not yet finished, not yet done. So what we are going to do is to sort this one, and we have to remove all these blocks. Okay, we have to remove all this block. This one, this one, this. So we have to remove this block. So we have to sort it again, this letter A. So what, before we are going to sort it, please take note that here is having formula here, here, here. So until the bottom you will find there is a formula. So if you forgot to copy paste values these two, then at the time you will be sorting this one, so all the formula will collapse. So you will again go back to the first step. So what you are going to do is to select these two, then copy, then again paste it, special, then values. Okay, values. So all is having no formula here. So now you can sort it from here. So by sorting again, we have to put the cursor here, so it will be selected all. So again, go to this sort. Okay, sort, then sort by column B. Okay, column B here. So again, you have to go back, go down to see all this information. So this information we needed. So now this one, you will find it here that there is no information here, there is no information here. So what we are going to do is to delete this one. By deleting is we have to put the cursor here and page down. Okay. Then right click, delete. Then go up again. So what you are going to do again is to sort it by column A. So put the cursor here again to select all, then sort, then again by A. Okay. So now all the information, the product code already placed between these two columns, between this date and produced quantity. So nandito na po siya. So it's already here. So let's say product sample 1 or this code, product sample 3, everything is here, product sample number 5 is here. So everything already in place in the right rows. Okay, so you can also now edit the tab, the heading, put the select this one, then put the center, so it will be uncentered. So you can also change this one to code, product code or code. This one is product name. Okay, product name. So now you have complete report. So what you're going to do is to remove this column A, because this is just our serial number, in order for us to to sort and remove those unnecessary information. So remove this one and delete. So okay, delete this one. So now you have the final report, whereas you put all the product information here, C and D. So from here at the bottom, so you will find all the information that you require is all here. So to make it sure, you can also compare against the original file. That's why we do some working sheets, this one, and you can also compare it here, the original file here. So you can also, let's say 1724, you can also compare 1724 is here under product sample number 1, product sample 1. So That's it, guys. So guys, we have done it. So this is the final report. So I hope you find something new, and I hope you learn from it. So I knew that some people work in accounts, working in a management, working in an office. So I know they have their own ways. So they have their own formula to to do this. So they have the simple step. But for me, it's also want to share my little knowledge about this. So I hope you find something new, and I hope you learn from it, as I said. So next time, guys, I will also share about some formula in Excel, simple way only. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. So see you guys next time. So thank you. And